Here's the Fix Duo. It's fast, focused, and flawless. The perfect finishing step to any NuFACE facial. On clean, dry skin, apply some of the Fix serum. With a mask-like layer, apply any area that you want to instantly smooth lines and wrinkles. Turn your device on, feather away the crow's feet, really address those under eye wrinkles. And it feels so good. It has a nice energizing hum. You can also apply to the lip area. And again, just with the feathering, kind of like a fast eraser-like motion, really plumping that skin. 3 minutes per treatment area, and your device will automatically shut off. Now feather away lines and wrinkles on the other side. Tap in any leftover Fix serum and finish with your normal skincare regimen.